Hello everyone, so in this video we will learn how to add finished live chats to Google Sheets automatically. So the idea is that whenever you have finished chatting with your customer on your live chat account, the details of that chat will be automatically be available in Google Sheets. But the issue here is there is no active connection between live chat and Google Sheets. So that is why we will be using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate live chat and Google Sheets. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is a person without any technical background can perform this little integration easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example? Okay, so this is my live chat account and this is my Google Sheet. So the idea is that I'm going to make a dummy chat with a person and we are going to see whether the details of that particular chat will be available in this Google Sheet automatically or not. So this is the account and this is where I'm going to chat with the person. Okay, so a new person called as Thompson Grease is making the chat. So Thompson Grease is starting the chat. Okay, so this is the first text. Hello, how may I help you? And this is done by me. My name is Gart Monroe. So Thompson Grease is going to say awesome and hello. Okay, so this is the first message. Now, as you can see, the message has arrived here. Okay, hello, how may I help you? Awesome and hello. Now, I'm going to ask him, what is your issue? Okay, so I'm just going, Thompson Grease is now going to continue with the chat. I am unable to open Windows 10. Okay, and let us enter some more details. Okay, so I'm just going to say press the power button. Press the power button and restart it. And he's going to say, let me try. Okay, Thompson Grease has sent the message, let me try. After that, I'm going to send him a message. Okay, I will wait. After that, Thompson Grease is going to say, thanks, it worked. And you're going to say, I'm going to say, my pleasure. Okay, so I think this will be our last message. Okay, so Thompson Grease is now just going to close the chat. Okay, and he's going to submit the review. Yes, and he's just going to give a thumbs up and submit. Okay, so the submission has been made by Thompson Grease. Okay, and the chat has been closed. So let's have a look. Do we have the details of this chat in Google Sheets automatically or not? So as you can see, we do have the details. So this is the name of the sender. Okay, that is Thompson Grease. Okay, so from here to here, we have the details of the chat made by Thompson Grease. So this is the chat ID. Okay, and these are the details. Hello, how may I help you? Awesome and hello, this was done by Thompson Grease. What is your issue? I am unable to open Windows 10. And at the last, my pleasure. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to save the data from live chat to my Google Sheet? So basically here we are using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that has integrated live chat and Google Sheet. Now before I show you the steps, let me just give you a small perspective how this integration is going to work. Okay, so this is how the integration is going to work. In the first step, you are going to integrate live chat and Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. You are simply just going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and paste it into live chat. Now in the second step, you are going to collect the chat related data from live chat and place it into Pabbly Connect. Now in the third step, you are going to use the same data to create a row in Google Sheets after integrating Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets. Now the interesting thing is, anytime there is a chat in live chat, the details of that particular chat will be automatically added in Google Sheets if the integration between live chat and Google Sheets is successful using Pabbly Connect. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account. So when I click here, I will be brought to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as live chat to Google Sheets. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So I want to send the data from live chat. So I'm just going to add live chat. Live chat it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as finished chat, because we want to send or get the data when the whole chat is finished between me as well as the customer. So these are the details we have to follow to integrate live chat and my Pabbly account. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is just focus on this. I'm going to toggle this to the left. Okay, remember this, you have to toggle this to the left. Okay, in simple response, you have to toggle this to the left. Okay, so now let's start beginning the process of integration. So we have to go to settings, integrations and webhooks. Okay, so this is my live chat account. Obviously, you know that this is, I have already logged in. So this is my settings page, and most likely here I will find integrations. Okay, integrations and app. Then what? Then I have to look for webhooks. Okay, so where is our webhooks? Okay, this is our webhooks. Now what? Now we have to select the chat end as event. Okay, chat end as event. So before that, let me just, I think we have to click on add webhook. Okay, and let me just make this at chat end and the data type as chat, visitor and pre-chat survey. Okay, that's awesome. Then we have to enter the target URL. So this is the target URL or the webhook URL. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and then what? Then just click on add webhook. Okay, add webhook. Okay, so we have added a new webhook. Awesome. So what we're going to do here is once again we are going to make some dummy entry. So let me just go to chat. Okay, so let me just open chat. I'm sorry, let me just go to click on channels. Okay, and I'm assuming that you have already installed live chat in your account, so I'm not going to teach you that. Let me just straight away take you to my chat page and I'm just going to copy that. Okay, so this is the link for having a chat with my new customer, and let me just open this in incognito mode. Okay, so let's begin the chat. Okay, so this time we are going with a person called as Aaron Manuel. So a person called as Aaron Manuel is our new customer and he's going to make the chat. So let me just click on start chat. Okay, once again, this account belongs to Gart Munro. Okay, remember this live chat account belongs to Gart Munro. He's the author and this is the customer, that is Aaron Manuel. Now Gart Munro has asked the first question, hello, how may I help you? And Aaron Manuel has replied, thanks, but I need help to start my Mac OS. Okay, so this is the message. So let's have a look. Do we have the message here also? I'm sorry, let me just take you to the chat. Okay, so this is the message by Aaron Manuel. Hello, how may I help you? Thanks, but I need to start my Mac OS. So I'm just going to write sure. Okay, and after that I have already installed Mac OS. Thank you for your service. Okay, I'm just trying to end the chat. So let me just end the chat. Okay, I mean Aaron Manuel has ended the chat. Close the chat. Yes, and gives a thumbs up. Okay, and let me just click on submit. Okay, so we have closed the chat. Okay, so let's have a look. Do we have the details of this particular chat in live chat? Okay, so yeah, Aaron Manuel has rated the chat as good. Now let's have a look in Pabbly Connect. Do we have the details of this particular chat, because Pabbly Connect is integrated with live chat? Okay, so as you can see, it is showing the event type as chat ended, and these are the details of the chat. This is the chat ID. Okay, then we have the chat URL. Now the most important thing we have to look for is the chat message. As you can see, these are the chat message. So we have all this message in a very clumsy format. As you can see, all of them is in a very clumsy format. So what we are going to do here is next, we are going to isolate our first chat. Okay, the first text. So the first text is this one. Hello, how may I help you? This was the first text. Now we are going to isolate each of them, okay, one by one. Now isolating and applying conditions, each of these text line will be tedious. So that is why I'm going to bring in iterator. So what iterator will do is it will just isolate the first text line, that is hello, how may I help you? And it will be added as a prototype because this is the first line. After that, the same prototype will be used to create the ideal conditions for the rest of these chat IDs, rest of these chat lines. Okay, so let me just show you how it's done. So this is the first chat. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to isolate the first details. Okay, so let me just bring in the iterator module. Iterator it is, iterator by Pabbly. Okay, so by default it is already showing that the choose array as chat message. Okay, this is because this is chat message and this is basically an array. Okay, so I'm just going to when I click on save and send test request, it will just fetch me the details of our first chat line. In our case, that is hello, how may I help you? Okay, so let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, this is the author name. Okay, so this is the author name, the person who owns this account. So let me just show you the person's name, that is Gary Monroe or something. Okay, yeah, so this is the one, Gart Monroe, that's the author name, and this is the agent ID. Okay, and then we have the text, hello, how may I help you? So we have got all the details. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to map all these details one in Google Sheet. Okay, so you must be thinking, what about the rest of them? So this is our first iteration. Okay, the second line will be our second iteration. So this is the first line, that is our first iteration. Now after that we have the second line, that will be our second iteration. So we are going to deal with the first line first, and after that the details such as the second line, the third line will be automatically dealt by Pabbly Connect. That's the beauty of an iterator. So this first line is technically our prototype. If this is successful, the rest of them will follow. So let me just introduce Google Sheet. In the choose app, let me just add Google Sheet. Google Sheets it is. Okay, so before I send the data to Google Sheets, let me just create a new Google Sheet. Okay, Google Sheets it is. I'm trying to teach you everything from scratch so that you can understand and get a better perspective. So let me just click on blank. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the details like the chat ID name as well as the text, because I'm too lazy to individually type all of them. So these are the columns name, chat ID name as well as text, and this will be the name of our sheet, live chat data. Okay, live chat data. Okay, awesome. So we are going to enter the details here. So first of all, let us integrate this particular Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. So in the action event, how about we make it as add new row? So you have an obvious question, why the action event is add new row? Well, to explain you that, let me just take you to my live chat data Google Sheet. So the idea is that we are going to fill these cells individually one by one. So first this cell will be filled, then this cell and this cell. So when all these cells are filled, it will create a new row. Okay, that is why I have mentioned the action event as add new row. So let us go with a new connection. Just click on connect with Google Sheets. Now I have a series of Gmail account, and this particular Google Sheet is present in this account. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. Now Pabbly Connect wants access to my sheet. So before I press continue, let me just remind you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press continue. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Brilliant. So as you can see, by default, it is showing the select spreadsheet as live chat data, though this is the spreadsheet live chat data. Now the select sheet, it is showing it as sheet 1. This is the sheet, that is sheet 1. Awesome. Now we have to mention the chat ID name as well as the text. So we have the chat ID name as well as the text. So the columns, that is the chat ID name as well as the text, is now seen as fields. Now we are going to map the details one by one. Now if you're wondering what's a chat ID, so let me just show you the chat ID. Okay, let me just scroll up. So this is the chat ID. Okay, so let me just click here, click here, and let me just add the chat ID. So this is the chat ID. Okay, now we have to mention the name of the customer, or here you can also add your name, okay, or the author's name. So I'm planning to add the name of the customer. Okay, so the name of the customer was let me just scroll down. Okay, so this is the name of the customer, or you can also go with the email ID, but I'm happy with the name of the customer. Okay, you can also put your own name, but I don't see any sense of putting your own name because as you can see, if you put your own name, all the chats will show your name only, and it will be very difficult for you to differentiate which customer made the chat. So that is why I will be adding customer's name. That will make more sense. Okay, so I'm just going to click here. I'm just going to click here. I'm sorry, I'm just going to click here, and let me just add the detail. Okay, yeah, so the name is Aaron Manuel. Then I'm just going to apply, sorry, I'm just going to map the text. So this was the text, okay, that we had isolated. The first line of the text, hello, how may I help you? So I'm just going to click here, and let me just map it. Okay, so we have added all the details. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send this data to this particular Google Sheet. Let me do that. Okay, so the response is a positive one, and we do have the data in Google Sheet. Now, the presence of this data indicates that we have a successful integration between live chat and Google Sheet. Now, of course, I have already shown you what will happen if there is a live chat. Okay, the same result will be reflected here in this Google Sheet if there is a chat between you and your customer. Now, before you leave, let me just show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrate a live chat to Pabbly Connect, and after that, you have made sure you have got the data of a finished chat. Now, in this action window, you have sorted out the first text between you and your customer, okay, the chat text, and after that, you have input the data in Google Sheet. Now, this basically means anytime there is a chat between you and your customer, after the chat ends, all the data will be collected in your Google Sheets. Awesome. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.